Okay.
need to show William
So, this
the
is a
big
huge
John Deere
property.
tractor. This is the big John Deere tractor.
Oh my God.
And it is also our snow blower because we have that very long lane and we have to be able to clear it out.
Wow.
And this John Deere collects the grass. And it's a big John Deere. I forget how big it is, but it's a big one. And then for my birthday,
These are the presents you get when you're in the well, I don't want to call it wilderness, but
yeah, but so this is my John Deere. Girls get jewelry for most birthdays, but my
she got a
husband
tractor.
gave me a small John Deere tractor so that I could mow out by the garden, and he can do the where the septic tank is because it's a big hill.
But he wrapped it in a pink ribbon so she knew it was for her.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Oh my God.
So 2 John Deere tractors.
Wow, okay, so let me give you a view. This is the back of the house, and here's the pool. Like, here's the bed and breakfast. I always wait for rates and availability. But oh my God, it's so nice. Harleysville, PA. Yep, loving it. Hi, guys. All right, nobody's paying attention. All right, bye.